Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laichenir or Lay, and today I'm going to be doing a 2-month review on this hair here by Aliluner on Amazon. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So first we want to get into the specs of this hair. So this is a ready to wear glueless wig. It is 26 inches and it's supposed to be 250% density. So this is supposed to be a deep wave wig in 26 inches, and here is the cute curl pattern. Y'all, I think I may have found a pretty decent wig from Amazon, and you guys know that I have been low-key beefing with Amazon, feeling like they don't have good wigs. But in my last video, I know I said I wouldn't buy a wig again from Amazon, or if I did buy a wig from Amazon, it would be over $100. So I spent a little bit more coin this time. This wig was $130, and it did perform a little bit better than the other ones. I don't feel like this one is synthetic this time, but it has some things with it. So let's get started with delivery, customer service, and all that. So I ordered the hair on July 1st. I received the hair on July 3rd. So shipping was pretty quick, no problems there. And shipping was free with Prime, or I think it's just free period, but free shipping, fast shipping, no problem with that. When I received it, it came in a regular like Amazon package, like folder, and then it came in this bag here. It came with a wig cap. It was in this net here. Here's a wig comb, and it came with some lashes. I might put a little video here of me installing the wig, like just showing you it fresh out the package. I recorded it, but I didn't really like the way, like the lighting, so I never posted it. But I may put it here for you guys to see, like when I first opened it. As far as the wig construction, it is a glueless ready to wear wig. Ready to wear somewhat. I did have to pluck it a little bit, cut a little excess lace, and tint it to my skin color, but for the most part I did not bleach any of the knots. It didn't come pre-bleached. I think it came pre-plucked but not pre-bleached, but I didn't bleach any of the knots. I just added some foundation or like concealer to the lace, and it was pretty good. Construction wise, it is a glueless wig. It does not have any combs. You could attach the comb that it came with, but I didn't. And I will say, out of all the wigs that I've gotten, this one is like perfect for my head. Like, it fits snug. I have worn this wig for 2 months straight, and the only time I like really tack it down and make sure I secure it is if I'm like going somewhere special, and then I'll put a few bobby pins around it just for more security, just so it doesn't go flying off if I'm like at an amusement park or a concert or like somewhere where I'm going to be doing more than just walking around. But other than that, I don't need to add anything. Now I can even like kind of lift it up right now, like it's not going anywhere, and it just fits my head perfectly. It comes with adjustable straps, and it comes with elastic band so you can tighten it or loosen it. So that was pretty good. I think that's about it as far as the specs, like the construction and all that stuff. So let's get into the pros and the cons. So we'll do the pros first. So the first pro is that I do like the fit of it. I like how it's glueless. It just fit perfectly. It's probably like the best fit wig that I've gotten ever. So if you're like a average size head, this wig will be great for you. Second pro, I love the curl pattern. I think it is super pretty. The curls are just beautiful. You can even see like some of the little ringlets here. It's just so cute. So yeah, the curl pattern is really pretty. It's curly from closure to the wig. Curl patterns match, so I think that's a really good pro. Second pro is that the hair is soft. I had it for 2 months and the hair is still soft. Now, I kind of have a con when it comes to the hair as far as like how it is, period, but when you get it together, it is soft, and that's good for 2 months. It's not crusty at all. It remained soft as when I got it. So that's my third pro. Fourth pro, I do like the lace on the closure. I feel like it is HD. I think it's supposed to be HD. I don't think it's transparent. Yeah, it's a 5x5 HD closure, and I do think the closure looks really nice. You can kind of see it depending on how I like move my head, but I have been in the sun this summer, so I have like a little tan situation going on here. So I think it's gonna be a little bit darker here because I got a tan, but anyways, the lace is cute. So first con for this hair is, unfortunately, it sheds and it tangles in the back like most curly hair. So it does tangle in the nape of It's tangled right now, but it's not super hard to get through them. And it tangles the most when I wet it and I don't let it dry all the way. It gets really bad, but if I let it like air dry or like blow dry it so to where it dries fully, I don't have too many problems with tangling. But it does tangle, and it can tangle pretty bad if you don't take care of it. It is pretty high maintenance. As far as shedding, it sheds just about every time I run my brush through it. I'm going to get hair. It's not super excessive, but it is going to shed. Second con is that it's supposed to be 250% density, and I'm not sure if that's the case. Like when I first wet it, it just looks kind of thin. As time goes on, it gets a little bit bigger. And if anything, I would probably say it's anywhere between 160 to 180. Maybe. I don't know if I could say it's 250. I feel like that's a stretch. When it's dry and like combed out, it can get pretty big, but I just don't think I can give it 250. I don't even know about 200, but I feel like that's a little bit, you know, false as far as the density, but who knows? Just off looks, I don't think it's 250. I just don't. I haven't tried to color the hair, so I don't know if it will bleach well or anything like that. Like I said before, I don't feel like this hair is as bad as the other two I got, like where it had synthetic pieces in it. I've had this hair for 2 months, and I've been wearing it consistently for 2 months, and I haven't had any issues with it. My last curly wig, you remember I said the ends would frizz up, and I had to cut it so short because it would just get like frizzy and plasticky like synthetic hair. This hair does not do that. It's still soft. I had to figure out how to work with this hair. Every hair company, every type of hair is different. What I might be able to use on one wig and one company's bundles, I can't use on this. So at first I was just using water and conditioner and some BioSilk serum. It would be really pretty, but when it dried, it just kind of dried dry and it got tangly. Then I was using this Aussie foam here, and I did like this. It made it really soft, and I also used this with the serum, and it was okay once again. But I finally figured out what this hair really loves, and it is water and this detangler here by Shea Moisture. And then after I add that in, I will add in the mousse and this curl oil. So instead of the BioSilk, I started using the curl oil, and these two together go great. So that's how I got these pretty curls. Sometimes I'll just use the water and conditioner and then just the oil, and then sometimes I'll do water, conditioner, the mousse, and the oil. It just really depends on. If I just wash the hair, I'll use all of it. Just to refresh, I'll probably just use the water, conditioner, and then the oil, or just the water and conditioner. It just really depends on what I have going on. I actually do like this hair. I've been wearing it a lot. The only thing that I don't like is that it sheds and it tangles a lot. Like that's probably my biggest con out of everything. The density, it's okay. I wasn't expecting a super thick wig. I just didn't want it to be thin, and it's not thin. Especially like once it dries out and you fluff it a little bit, it's not bad. I just wish it didn't tangle as much. I wish I could just find a wig that just does not tangle, because it's just annoying to have like a knot in the back of your head. I will say it is true to length. If I had to rate the hair, it would probably be like a 4 out of 5. And that's pretty high. I definitely would recommend this hair, but it's just a tangling for me that just, it's not 100%. It's not a 5 out of 5 because of the tangling. I just want to find one that doesn't tangle bad in the back. So I'll put all the specs and everything about this hair down in the description box below. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, please be sure to like this video, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.